Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by forcing a full power cycle. Hold the console power for 10 seconds until it shuts off. Once done, unplug the power cord and your router for 30 seconds to clear residual cache and network hiccups, and remove any external drives so the console can boot cleanly. These steps often reset stuck update routines and let you isolate whether the problem is the system or external storage. After waiting, plug power back in and boot to the dashboard to check for progress. If the console still fails, perform an offline system update using a USB drive. You format a 6 GB or larger USB drive FAT32 or NTFS, create a folder named $System Update at the root, and put the official update file inside. Once prepared, start the Xbox in the Troubleshoot menu by holding Bind and Eject while pressing Power, then choose Offline System Update. This replaces corrupted OS files without relying on your network, and explains why a clean USB install often succeeds when online. After the update completes, sign back in and verify system stability by launching a game and checking multiplayer access. Once confirmed, reconnect external drives and confirm your game libraries and saved data appear correctly. This ensures nothing was left corrupted. If the update or boot still fails, try a factory restore from the troubleshoot options to reset system files, but know this can remove local data. If that doesn't help, contact Xbox support for hardware-level diagnostics. This tip saves time versus endless repeat attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.